And I was connected with a lot of, basically classy ladies from, the Des Moines area who were there to kind of guide me and lead me on alternative behaviors, alternative reactions, and show me something different.
Okay. So Lance, one of the things that usually our callers want to know, and Amy, is okay, if I find myself in these type of circumstances, I'm in this survival mode, I'm in an environment where I always have to check the exit doors and know what's going on around me. What are some resources? You talked about a diversion program. We don't necessarily want to have folks have to go through court to get to the resources and help that they need. So what are some of the resources that are available for our young people in the community to address some of these issues? You talked about therapy.
Counseling.
Okay, but where? Where do I go to get counseling?
Well, I mean, if you...
My wife tells me I need therapy all the time. So where do I go to get that kind of help?
Well, if you're lucky enough to have health insurance, you can talk to your primary care physician, and they'll refer you to, trusted, psychologists, psychiatrists.
Are they culturally specific, culturally informed?
Well, ideally, you would prefer to talk to somebody who understands, where you're coming from. But at the end of the day, the most important thing is that you do talk to someone and that you do acknowledge, your feelings. That person may not look like you, sound like you, but, at the end of the day, it's better than just keeping it inside.
Okay, and I would like the community to know that we do have some resources in our community to deal with these issues, emotional, psychological issues. North Point Health and Wellness is outstanding. Southside Community Clinic is outstanding. Open Cities in St. Paul has culturally specific care, and there's also Association of Black Psychologists. Lance, let me hold your thought for a second. We got a call on the line. Caller, you want to identify yourself and ask your question?